Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube on a PC or laptop. And this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. If you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a new browser and come to youtube.com, and you just want to go ahead and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come to your icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and then just go and give that a click. And then what you want to do is come down to YouTube Studio. So after a second or two, this is going to take you into your YouTube Studio, and then it's literally just on the first page. What you want to do is actually scroll down till you get to the bottom, and then just under the comment section there should be one which says recent subscribers, and underneath that you should see a blue see all button. So what you want to do is just give that a click, and what this is going to do is bring up your most recent subscribers for the last 90 days. So if you want to change this, you can actually click this drop down arrow and you can actually change the dates. So for example, you could do it for the last 365 days, so the last year. You could do it for lifetime, and by default it's going to sort it by subscriber count. So your subscribers that have got the most subscribers will be displayed first, going down until you get to the ones with the least subscribers. Also, just a note that this only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. So you have got the option when you subscribe to a channel to make it private if you want to. So it's only going to show you the ones that have made it public. If you want to find out more information, you can just click this here where it says learn more. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.